Hi friends, welcome to Gauri Smart channel. Today we are going to discuss about top 15 models in tangents and secant square circle. So before going to start the video, give it just like. Okay. The first problem is if angle A plus angle BOC is 120 degrees, then angle BOC. Now see they have given. Let us suppose this is x, then it will be 2x because already I explained yesterday. So the angle which is making at the center O is twice the angle which is made by same arc at the remaining point of the circle. So this is they have given. Now angle is x, angle BOC. So angle BOC is 2x, that is equal to 120 they have given. If you take this is x, it will be 2x. Now 3x is equal to 120, then x is equal to 40. So x is equal to 40 degrees, but we want 2x because they are asking angle BOC. BOC means 2x. So 2x is equal to 42 is 80. So 80 degrees is the answer. That is the second option. Next, find angle AOB. Find angle AOB. This angle they want. So we know very well the concept. A chord which is making at the center angle is twice the same chord making the remaining part of the circle. So here 50 means it will be double. So twice means 100. So it will be 100. So option is 2. Second option is the correct answer. Next, if x plus y plus z is equal to 90 degrees, then x is equal to. See this x, y, z. These are all angles in the same segment. Already I have given yesterday concept. The angles in the same segment are equal. Means x is equal to y is equal to z. So means we can say x plus x is equal to 90 because y is equal to x, z is equal to x. Now 3x is equal to 90. X is equal to 90 by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 30s are. So x is equal to 30 degrees is the answer. So option first one. Now find x in this figure. See here, this is a right angle triangle. By seeing 5, 12, you should not say 13 is the answer. First option 13 is a very easy problem. Like that you should not say. So they are making in a wrong direction. So because you know very well 5, 12, 13 these are triplets. You know very well 3, 4, 5. You know very well triplets. So like that you should not do. You have to do because see 5, 12, x those are triplets. But here x is not 13 because hypotenuse is 12. Hypotenuse if it is 13 then answer will be 12. But hypotenuse is not 13, so it is 12. So we have to do. So hypotenuse square 12 square is equal to 5 square plus x square. So 144 is equal to 25 plus x square. So 144 minus 25 means 119 is equal to x square. Then x is equal to root 119. So root 119 is third option. Like that we have to do. We should not just we should not guess the answer. We have to do the problem. Next, find x using the diagram. See, if chords are intersecting at one point P, then we know very well. Yesterday I did not say because today the problem is most important. That's what I am writing here. So PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. If two chords are intersecting at P, then the formula is PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. So here PA is 4 they have given into PB they have given 7. That is equal to PC. That is equal to x. PD is equal to 14. Now 7 ones are 7 twos are and 2 ones are 2 twos are. So x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 is the answer. You got the answer x is equal to 2, but you should not go to the second option. So where this 2 is there, that is how to think. That is option 3. Next, if a tangent and secant are intersecting the circle at 1 point and 2 points, then find the x value. See, if it is like that, so formula I am giving PT square is equal to PA into PB. This is also most very important. So PT square is equal to PA into PB. If a tangent and secant are intersecting the circle, same circle at 1 point and 2 points, then PT square is equal to PA into PB. So here PT square means 42 into 42, that is equal to PA means 6, PB means 6 plus x. Now 6 ones are 6 sevens are. So 7 twos are 14, 1, 7 fours are 28, 29. So 29, 2 for 294 plus 6 plus x. So x is equal to 294 minus 6 means 288. So 288. So there is no option. If there is no option means it will be add score. It will be add score. Next, find ABC. So using this diagram. So angle ABC they are. So sorry, this is angle ABC. Angle ABC. Yes. So find angle ABC they are asking. So using this diagram, we can say this angle is 110 because the sum of the angles at this angle is 360 degrees. So 120, 110, that is 330, 330, 30, 360. Sorry, 230, 230, 30, 260, 260 plus 100, 360. So this is the 110 means it should be definitely off. So 55 because same angle in the center is twice the angle remaining part of the circle. So it is 110 means it is 55. So answer third option. Next, find angle ABC. So find angle ABC means this is 130. So you should not say this is a 60 degrees like that. 60 degrees is not there. So you have to say this is a what? How much? This is 250 degrees. Angle at the center making twice the remaining part of the circle. So if it is 250 means half of the 250. So means 125 is the answer because 250 off. 250 off how much? 125. Next, find AB. Find the chord AB. See here, this is 15, this is 25. Using Pythagoras theorem if you find, then you get this is 20. Here also 20. So 20 plus 20 that is 40, second option. So using Pythagoras theorem you have to say that. So this is 20 because 625 minus 225 that is 400. Root 400 is 20. 20 plus 20 that is 40. Answer. Next, 10th one. R is equal 7 centimeters and x is equal to 30. Then the area of the sector. Area of the sector will be equal x by 360 into pi r square. X by 360 into pi r square. So now 7 and 7 cancel, 0 0 cancel, 3 ones are, 3 12s are. Now 2 6s are, 2 11s are. That is equal to 77 by 6. So 6 1s are 6. So 17 will be there. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. So 17 minus 12 means 5. 50. So 50 means 6 8s are 48. So 12.88 is the answer. That is the second option. Next, if the radius of the circle is double, then its area becomes. So see here, if radius is r means pi r square. If radius is double means pi 2r square means pi 4 pi r 4 r square means the radius is 4 times. So the area is 4 times it is becoming. So answer 4. The number of circles that passes through 3 non-collinear points is most very important. 3 non-collinear points. Here 1 point, here 1 point, here 1 point. So this is the line segment, this is the line segment, this is the line segment. So the perpendicular bisector, the perpendicular bisector, the perpendicular bisector. So this is a concept which I have given in the circumcircle. So using this concept, so we can, this is the radius, this is also radius, this is also radius. So we can draw one circle. So answer is one circle. But one circle means option 2, but there is no first option. You have to think which option it is. Next, the perimeter of the quadrant of circle of radius 7 by 2 is. So quadrant means 1 by 4 pi r square. So 22 by 7 into r square means 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 7 7 cancel. 2 1s are 2 11s are. So again 77 by 8. So 8 9s are 72. So 9.5. So because 9 option only one is a 9.5. Next, the angle in a semicircle is, the angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees in everywhere. First option 90 is there. If you keep 90 as the first option, that is wrong because 90 degrees is there. So again the 90 degrees is the fourth option. So after coming exam, after completing exam, you should not think before completing the exam only you have to see 4 options. So this is the fourth option. So don't think. So 90 is the answer. 90 degrees is the answer. Next, area of the circle in terms of diameter is. So actually area of the circle is pi r square, but pi into r value is b by 2. So b by 2 whole square, that is equal to pi into d square by 4. So that means pi d square by 4. That is the third option. So this is the friends today most very important top 15 models. Definitely in this top 15 models 1 or 2 problems will be coming. At least one problem also may be coming. So If you like this video, you just like it, and if you want to share it, you can share it. If you want to subscribe your friends, make them to subscribe. If you want to make your friends join our group, so let them join. So thank you very much. Bye bye.